This one, which Ari sees in Ryan Toy review, watermelon, gummy watermelon. He always sees my son. He always wants this. See all those what he sees in Ryan Toy review. So this is one of the, I think this is one of the biggest stores of sugar candies in City Walk. I told you I'm coming here in Universal Studios, so this is how it is. It's nice to see all these. Right now my son is not there with me, otherwise he would have said he wanted all these gummies and candies. He says, oh wow, this one. This you see in Ryan Toy review. Oh my god.
Only a few more.
World's largest gummy worm. See? All these which we see. Really big store. So this is a pizza gummy. Nice, right? So only here we get to see all these. See, I bought some candies for him. He doesn't have any clue that I bought all these sour candies. He just loves them. So he always watch in Ryan's Toy Review, and he always wanted them. So I thought, okay, when I come here, I'm not going to miss it. So when we go back to the hotel, I will be giving him as a surprise. So my little son Arush is going to be very happy when he sees all these candies. Okay, that's it. I'm going to get out from here. See, it's a very huge store for candies, sugar candies. You can see. It's cool, right? So the name of the store is It's Sugar. I think you can see this. Yeah. This is where I got it. You can see up there sugar.
That's why
Hi everyone.
Okay, hi. So today is special for my son. We bought some few gifts. So this is from Legoland. So he's going to open and show. And Arush, I got some other surprise also. Yesterday when we went to Universal Studio, when he was not there with me, I bought some candies. You know these candies, your favorite candies, which you always ask, when you watch Ryan's Toy Review. So those candies I bought for you. Can you check out? Surprise, okay? I'm sure you will like it. Whoa! Sure? Remember you seeing all these in Ryan's Toy Review? Yeah, the teddy bear, gummy bear candy. Yes, your favorite hatchet I bought. Yes. This one, what is it? Pop Rocks. Wow, and you know this one, this candy? Sour Flesh? So, yes. You see all these in Ryan. Yes. You're happy? So we'll taste it one by one, okay? This is sour drops. Super sour. Super sour. Okay? So first what do you want to open?
First I can open sour drops.
Sour drops? Okay. Come on, let's open and taste it. And
Okay.
just tell your feedback whether you like it. And first thing,
You open?
okay, I'll open it for you. So this is the first time we are buying all these candies together. Like we never usually buy all these candies for him because I find it's not so healthy for him. So this just for one time, okay? Don't feel bad like, oh, I'm trying to feed him with all these candies.
Right,
But
okay.
this is just one time, okay? Next time don't ask these candies. Okay, this is just for this time because we are in LA. So I just wanted him to try those candies which he has not tasted before. So these are special candies which you don't get from
I do
anywhere
it?
else. Yes, you can just taste it, yeah? This sour drops, super sour drops. How's it? Yummy? Oh my god! Look at his feet. So this is it. So this is your feedback. Huh? Let me also try. It's okay. It actually tastes like cough syrup. Okay, cough syrups. It's fine, but still, right? Arish, okay. So next one we'll try this.
No.
Which one? You want to try this? Okay, you can open that. Okay, so whatever we try, we'll keep it here. What is this called as? I don't know what you call it for this. This is Tutti Frutti Lollipop. Tutti Frutti Lollipop. Okay, so we'll try this. Okay. How is the Tutti Frutti Lollipop? Come on. It's not nice? But it smells good, yeah?
Mommy.
Yummy, yeah? The smell is yummy. Okay, next one. It tastes good. It's nice. Next one. Okay, so I have to keep this somewhere. Huh? Okay, I'll just. Okay, my husband is going to hold this for the example. Okay. Then next is Pop Rocks. What is this? This is popping candy. Okay, so we'll try this. So this one is going to be yummy, I think, right? So all these you're trying it for the first time. These type of candies, we don't get it there. So let's see.
No.
Can taste it. Mmm. See the sound? That sound is there. That cracking sound, like, you know, crackling. But it's nice. But it's not sour. It's good, right? You can feel that kind of shocking feeling, no? That sound, crackling sound, right? It's nice. Okay. Okay, so that's that. And next one. This is your no. The toys we'll check it out later. Last, okay? We'll try all the candies first. Okay, now next one, gummy bear. Remember seeing this in Ryan's toy review? His favorite. He always asks me, "Mommy, where can I get this giant gummy?" This is not the giant gummy, but this is that gummy which we don't get somewhere else. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I'll open it for you. This orange flavor which I bought from, and I got it from. Yesterday we went to Universal Studios, so I got it from the store. It's sugar. I think it was next close to City Walk.
Let's do it.
Yes, let's do it. Yeah. So, as a surprise gift, I bought it, Arush. Yesterday when you was there, I think he was playing in that water fountain or something close by. So I went.
I
got it. Yeah. Okay, my God. Now this one we have to take it out. Oh, wait. I think I have to open one more. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Okay, open it. Open it. Open it. Oh my God. Okay, take it. Okay. Ooh, that's cute. Wait, let me show. It's cute, right? Okay. Oh my God, you're eating it. Oh, you're biting. Okay. That will be yummy. Yummy. I know. Orange is his favorite flavor, right? So this one you liked it. So thumbs up to this, yeah? Loud. Oh my God, you bit its nose. Oh, the face is destroyed. No face. Liked it? Okay. So. It's nice. It's soft. Soft. Okay, that's that. Okay, so what? I'll keep this back. I'll put it inside. We'll eat it later. Okay? And now next one. Okay. This is the most funniest part. I'm sure you all might have seen this. Sour flesh. Can you imagine? Right, Arush?
Yes, open.
Yes, open.
Open it.
You're going to eat this candy from this flesh?
Oh no.
Sour.
Sound come maybe.
You want it, huh?
Wow.
Okay. Oh my God, we have both the side. We have the
Lollipop.
pump. Not lollipop. This is actually pump. Okay, but yeah. Okay, wait.
I think lollipop.
Just focus on. 1 minute.
Open.
I will just open it. We'll see what is there inside. Can see?
Sugar, maybe.
Hope I don't drop anything down. Wait.
No, no.
Oh, it's okay. It's good, yeah? See?
Whoa.
It's sealed.
See, wait.
Oh, no, don't break it. Wait. I'll show you. You know how to eat this? So you have to take this out. Okay?
You
And-
open for me?
Yes, I'll open it for you.
Open.
Yes. And okay. Wait. Then you know how to eat this. You have to. Wait, just one moment.
Okay, I know it.
Yes, you know it. Okay. So first you have to open this and you have to dip it inside and taste it. Oh my God! See this?
This is the same.
Sour flesh. You're eating it from sour flesh. Ooh. Okay. Now taste it. Yes, enough. And just show how it is. God, yes. Okay, you taste it first. How's it? Oh my God, you dropped it. It's nice.
Ugh.
Ah. It's good. It's good. So this is, yeah.
This one is good.
This can I taste? You're done with it?
No.
You're not. Okay, so I'll taste the.
This.
Wait. Let me dip it. Not bad.
Huh?
It's nice, right? Which flavor is this? Blue raspberry. That's nice.
Okay,
That's enough. So
Yes.
I'll just close this. Yeah. Wait, just one moment. Yes. Yeah.
Take
So
this.
it's actually sealed properly, so it won't come out. Yeah, it's nice.
This
We
is
can
so
use it.
thick.
Yeah.
So thick.
Okay. So out of all these, first thing I want to ask you, out of all these, that lollipop and out of all these, which one you like the most?
I like.
A Tutti Frutti lollipop is already in your father's mouth. He's having it. Okay. So out of all the lollipop, the sour flesh, pop rocks, and super sour, which one did you like the most? Yeah, you like that? So he liked this. Okay. So you didn't like the or yeah, I forgot to mention the gummy bear.
I like gummy bear, but
Yeah, so the gummy bear you will give first place, right? That's the first one which you liked.
I need gummy bear now.
Yeah, you can take it out. Okay, that there it is. Yeah. So you like gummy bear first, then after that you like this pop rocks.
Yes.
Okay, so he's gonna have that. Okay, now next. Oh my God.
Sugar.
Okay.
So thick.
Okay, now next. Okay, we are done with the candy stuff. Now toys. Okay, we'll open toys. Hatch eggs.
So thick.
Hatch eggs. Okay, this also I bought it from its sugar store. He loves this hatch egg. Okay, let's see which toy did he get.
Oh.
Wow, that's
Pink.
cute. Oh, that's cute. Show
And
that.
blue, and pink, and purple.
Yeah.
And pink change color.
It'll change color?
Yes.
Oh, okay, it's like that, huh?
Let's change color with water.
Oh, it changed color with water. So yeah, I'm sure you are familiar with this because we have bought this for you
Change
several
with
times.
water.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
Okay, so my husband is telling it's not, he's giving a wrong information. Sorry, guys. He's trying to fake something.
Yes, we did it.
Okay.
Have
Okay. So how do you open this? I don't have any idea.
Press here,
Okay.
to press it like that.
You have to press like that. So what we have to do with this egg is we have to rub this heart. Okay, keep on rubbing it. Then after that it will turn to pink. Then just press it. Then it will pop out. Okay. Oh yeah, now it's changing its color. See, it's going to change to. Hey, so fast it's changing the color. Yeah. It change. Oh, I think you have to do it.
Look, pink.
Yeah.
Pink now.
Okay, again.
No.
Still not done.
Done,
Keep on
done.
doing. No.
That is okay.
Oh my God.
Then
Okay.
open.
Okay, open. Press. Oh, yeah.
Ah!
Yes. Okay.
What you got?
You tell me. Just try to open it.
Ah! What you got?
Okay. What's the time?
What?
Oh, something is coming out.
Ah!
So cute.
So cute.
Show that toy. Show. Oh, it's like me. Cute like me. Okay, just show. Not like that. Yeah, show it like this. Focus.
Okay.
Cute? Okay. So this is the egg. See, it became like this. My God, he's still busy eating his gummy bear. So you liked this gummy bear the most, yeah? Out of all the candies. Okay, now this one, you saw? I'm going to throw that. Now next one, yes. Lego. We bought this from Legoland. We had gone to Legoland today. So we bought this gift for this gift his grandmother and his grandfather bought for him from Legoland. This one. No, Arish?
Yes.
It's okay.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Wow.
Sure.
Oh.
Whoa. That's nice.
Uncover.
Oh, uncover.
More.
More. Wow. It's nice.
More.
More? Maybe the instruction, yeah? Or the sticker.
No, not instruction.
Instructions, yeah? So, this contains around 76 pieces. We'll try to fix this now.
Yes.
This is called the starter set, yeah. Wait. There's something more inside I can feel. Yeah. What is this? Okay.
Lego.
Okay. We'll keep this inside, but you should know. You should, follow this instruction.
Look.
You want
Okay.
to
You fish want all these.
Okay, I'll fix all that for you. Okay. So this is the Legos which we got. Now we have to fix it.
I open this.
Yeah. We'll open everything now. We have to follow the instructions, okay, Arush? See, that is why they have provided this
You
booklet.
will for me?
Yes, I'll do it for you, no props. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so what he meant to say is from the Lego set which we bought for him, this is the toys, like we got it fixed finally. This the blocks, so he's trying to explain what is it exactly. We got a shark, right, Arush? We got
Yes.
shark. We got lifeguard tower. Then we got
This one is diving now.
Okay, so this is what we fixed it for him finally with his Lego City set. Okay, Arush, you liked it? So that's it for today's his special vlog, right, Arush? This was only for your toys and for your candies. You liked everything what we bought for you, Arush? Did you like? Yeah, he's very busy. Hi, Arush. So that means you liked it, right? What we bought for you. Okay, so say bye. Take care.
Secret.
See you
See you.
next time. Oh, you got something on your hand. What's that, Arush? Who did this for you? Yeah, when we went to Legoland, they just, when we were trying to exit, they just put this Castle Hill, right, Arush? That's cute. Okay, so bye. Take care. Yes, that is the Lego blocks which we got, right? Oh my god. Okay, take care.